Welcome to this guide on how to download, access, and manage your mobile health card using the Alberta Wallet. The Alberta Wallet makes it easy to access your mobile health card in one secure and private place on your mobile device or a web browser. Before you begin, make sure you have a verified alberta.ca account, a verified My Health Records account, the Alberta Wallet. If you're on a mobile device, start by downloading the Alberta Wallet from the App Store or Google Play. You can also access the Alberta Wallet through your alberta.ca account using a web browser. Once you have the Alberta Wallet, download your mobile health card by following these steps. First, sign into your My Health Records app. Next, select the Mobile Health Card tool. Then select Add to Alberta Wallet. Your card will now appear in your Alberta Wallet. Using your mobile health card is simple. Open your Alberta Wallet. Tap your mobile health card to view the live QR code. Reminder: do not print or screenshot the QR code. Only live codes are accepted and can be scanned. In addition to your own card, you can also download a mobile health card for anyone who has shared their record with you. In My Health Records, select your name in the top right. Choose Switch Record and select the person's name. Now that you're viewing that person's record, you can add their health card to your Alberta Wallet. Simply follow the same steps as adding your own mobile health card. Parents and guardians can add mobile health cards for their children under 14. When you log in to My Health Records, select Children's Mobile Health Card from the dashboard. Then click Add a Child's Mobile Health Card. Enter your child's information, affirm the declaration, and click Submit. The card will appear in your Alberta Wallet. In some instances, further documentation, like a birth certificate or custody order, is needed to complete a request for a child's mobile health card. You can upload up to 5 files via the upload screen to support your request. When you're done, click Submit Files. After submitting, you'll see a confirmation message. You'll also receive a confirmation email and code. Primary and Preventative Health Services will contact you with next steps after your information is reviewed. Remove a mobile health card from your Alberta Wallet at any time. Open your Alberta Wallet. Next, tap the ellipsis icon on the card. Then, select Remove. Removed cards will no longer appear in your Alberta Wallet. If you want to re-download a mobile health card to your Alberta Wallet, you can download a card again using the same steps. Remember, if you need help, ask the My Health Records digital assistant or visit the My Health Records Help Center. With the Alberta Wallet, you control your credentials anytime, anywhere, through the mobile app or your alberta.ca account.